Hey guys, welcome back to another App IQ video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view your watch history. Now there are two ways to actually do this. First one, I'm going to show you, I've learned this here on TikTok myself. So you're going to click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen, and in the search bar you're going to type a full stop, literally a full stop. Then you hit search, and then this pulls up your view your watch history. When you tap on that, every post that you've come in contact with, you will see all of them there. Even if a creator had made a post and it got deleted or they deleted it, you will see that the post was there but it is deleted. You can also filter by date and you can see what you've seen yesterday, last week. You can click on date range and you can switch between the dates and see whichever post from that time on. TikTok has also given us the feature where you can delete what we've recently seen on the app. So you tap on select at the top right corner of your screen and you can simply choose a video and delete it. You can even select all to delete all. Now the other way for you to view your watch history is to go to your profiles page, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, go to activity center, and here it pulls up your watch history. Now when you tap on that, same as before, everything that you've recently watched, you're gonna see all of them populating here. And that is it guys, very easy and very simple.